I got a to-do list to do. I wrote it down last night. So I haven't been posting a lot, and that's because I got a job now. Yeah, pretty great. It's not bad. I just work in the back room at some place I don't really want to share just yet. But on the first day of work, I found this notebook in the parking lot, and I was like, ooh, let's see if there's drama. There's no drama. It's literally just an empty notebook. Well, not empty anymore. I've been using it as like my bedside table notebook thing for like random midnight thoughts instead of Googling it. But I have a to-do list for today. That is clean my side table, pick up my room, do laundry, and record it all and show you guys. Because I really want to record and I haven't done it in a while. I also got a new lens for Christmas. We are currently using it. That's what it looks like before and after. I love it so much. I love the wide angle. Prepare your eyes. It's a little disgusting in here. We gotta pick this up, pick up the floor, get that in the washer. Don't ask why there's a halo sword. There just is one. Yeah. And there's one thing I've been doing in my book, and that's writing down 3 things I'm thankful for every night. And I'm trying to do like a different thing every day, not just, you know, house, food, family, all that. Like, it could be stupid stuff, it could be serious stuff. But it's been pretty good, actually. I recommend you guys do that. Actually, I need to cross off something. Because one of my late night thoughts was try to find hidden cache for VRChat and ChatGPT to see if it will solve a problem. And I did clear my cache, so get to cross that off. I have something coming in the mail soon, and it is a new graphics card. The one I have right now is a 2060 RTX NVIDIA, and I'm going to be getting a 5060 Ti with 16 gigs in it. And I'm so freaking excited. Hopefully I won't have any lag and I'll have way better graphics. I mean, it should. It's a 50 series. But that comes in like 5 days. So definitely I'm going to unbox it for you guys for sure. But let's start cleaning, shall we? Of this. What is it? Let's open her up. My new graphics card. 5060 MSI. And then last night, I got a new power supply. So, how many watts is this? 1,000 because it says on the box. Yeah, 1,000 wattage. Let's get these installed. So this is the current PC setup. I got a 2060 RTX. And it was great for what I wanted it for at the time, which was to have great shaders in Minecraft. Oh gosh. I got this, right? Yeah. We got a working mic now. Let's put this PC together. Let's replace the power first. What do you mean subject lost? I'm right here. Hello? Hi. But look at this. Hoo. She cute. You know what? We're just gonna. That microphone's low too. Is it just me or does Velcro? Ooh, give y'all the tingles. Set that there. I want to get the graphics card out first. There we go. Okay, we figured it out, me and my dad. So it turns out the PCI cable, it's the 2 plug one, so it's the 2-prong and then the 6-prong one. Then I also have a skull in there for aesthetics because I wanted to add something in there. But we figured out what it is. Or we figured out all the plugs and stuff. And we now have both monitors on. Once I, log in. So excited. Drivers should be all installed. I restarted the computer and turned it back on and nothing popped up saying I had outdated drivers. So I think we should be good. Now let's clean this room up because I made a little, just a little mess, It's fine. We're all good. We have great news. Don't mind the red on my forehead. Shoot. Okay, yeah. VR did not crash. And I'm so happy. I mean, it did twice. First time it said disconnected, so I just reconnected it. We were fine after that. And then it's actually like froze the screen. So I changed it to a different port. We're good. So PC upgrade. So I'm gonna say good night, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys whenever I upload another video. I don't know when it will be. I want to try to vlog more. I don't know, do you guys want to see the boring stuff? Because that's all my life is.